ayun, positive yung mga moments of goodness. It's yun. And hindi, yun ang ating sinabi na huwag magbigay ng opportunity. Ano, maintindihan ng mga kabataan. Kasi bata pa sila eh. But then
I'm not blaming you for anything.
Ako nga, I'm supposed to be the one yung mother. Para bang may ginagawa siya na mali. But God has put us for this na hindi na tayo katulad noon. Well, I'm doing my best na iangat ang ating paunawa. Ganun ang kanilang mahal. But I'm so good. Wala silang gusto lang nila ilabas because it's traumatic for them. At ngayon, maybe it will feel better. Ang ano sila, they are good children. Hindi sila yung bata, when walking happened, they would tell anybody. They think how it will affect the whole church, how it will affect you. Yun ang unang makapasok sa isip namin. What will happen kung atin ito ay mag-explode ng ganito? And hindi lahat na makakaintindi. Ano po may inisip na nakakami nila yung sabi ko, if talagang hindi natin may ma-remission nito, we will allow you brother to stay in the corner for a while until we have our peace. So sabi ko, we need you to stay there while the construction is going on. Para lang ano ka? Gaanan ka, sabi mo, gaanan. But then we need a leader. We cannot just totally put you. Kailangan nila tatay na magtulong sa amin. We have learned all this from you. We are what you see because of you. If you have been out of this problem, we didn't think that to rebel or kung ano ba tayo say. We love you po. We took every consideration. Kaya sabi masaktan. We learned. I learned from them through this. Because it's a church na kailangan natin lahat. Hindi ka blah, blah, blah. I'm sure young people. Huwag mo isipin na we don't love you. We love you. We want to pour out this kaya we want to kick it sa atin na. Kasi narinig ka sa buhay. Pag-tipita lang siya lang. Ina-express niya ang sili na huli na sa sabong ng kisip namin. Alam mo na unang sino pag sinilangan siya. At lang, our listening.
Hindi ako nag-justify. But it's okay. That's fine. I think you were telling me. So our service always reminding.
And we won't allow any of this to be done.
Kung sasama kayo sa akin,
because I'm thinking we're caring for something great, and we should not keep us away from it.
kung sasama kayo sa akin,
And ang love namin, kung hindi, kami magkakapot sa baso.
Mary, I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings.
Hindi ka naman anak namin.
I overstepped you.